Napa Valley Wine Train Tour. Estamos listos para abordar el tren en donde nos van a preparar una deliciosa comida gourmet. Acompáñenme. All aboard!
What the wine train is a 3-hour tour up and down the valley in Napa, giving you amazing views while simultaneously letting you enjoy wine and some of the best food in the valley. It was started by a gentleman by the name of Vincent DiDomenico, who started Rice-A-Roni and also owned Ghirardelli chocolate. So this was his dream, to offer something like this in Napa Valley. So what you get to experience is a one-of-a-kind 1915 to 1917 Pullman rail car in the heart of Napa with some of the best views in the world.